Who has more market value? Right now, Netflix has the edge. Of course, it doesn't hurt when Michelle and Barack Obama signed a deal that could further boost the company's footprint with particularly younger viewers. Financial chief economist and Jerry Bowyer is here, says that Netflix CEO Reed Hastings could be a big beneficiary of all of this. But in the meantime, it's been one stock to watch. Good to have you back, my friend.
Good to be with you as well.
What do you make of the fact that I always wonder, I know Netflix costs and getting the likes of David Letterman and all this own programming, it's running to the billions of dollars. They more than make up for it with all the money they raise and the market value. But it always seems to me to get bigger. And yet they have a market cap now, rivaling higher than that of Disney.
Yeah, and that's a little bit worrisome. They're throwing a lot of money at programming, and that's fine. That's innovative. But here's the question. Is the CEO acting in the interest of shareholders, or is he acting in the interest of his own social agenda or ideological agenda or the rest of it? I mean, we know he was supportive of Barack Obama. That's fine. But the question is this going to be a value added for the owners of the company, or is this going to just be a value added for the CEO and his own agenda? And my point is, having researched this company deeply in terms of their governance rules and their forensic accounting, this is a company where the CEO has not earned the trust of shareholders when it comes to putting shareholders first. He's put up an unusual amount of moats, keeping shareholders from being able to put proxies on the ballot, being able to change directors. They're keeping directors who don't get majority votes. So this is a company that's really centered around the CEO more than the shareholder. So if shareholders are coming forward saying, hey, we don't know about this Obama deal, I don't think that Reed Hastings can say, hey, trust me, I always put your interest ahead of mine, because structurally he hasn't.
Well, if you're an investor in the company over the last years, you've done more than fine.
Absolutely. And that happens a lot with these companies where you have a kind of like Napoleon CEO. It rides up fast and then it rides down hard. Like Tesla would be another example of that.
You think that's going to happen
delivered
here?
Beautifully. I think that this isn't a Tesla category. I think that Reed Hastings is like Elon Musk in his management style. I don't know when it's going to happen. I don't know for sure that it's going to happen. But what I do know is the data shows that over time, shareholder orientation, Warren Buffett called an owner orientation. CEOs who get that they are the hired help, not the masters of the universe, over the long run outperform the big ego CEO who rides a rocket ship to the top and then the rocket ship blows up and comes down when there are shareholder revolts.
Interesting. All right, Jerry Bowyer, good seeing you again. Thank you.
My pleasure, my friend.